Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So you guys know that I follow a lot of Ayurveda when it comes to drinking water in copper vessel or when it's also like eating food. I'm trying to follow it now, and I do a lot of yoga also. So I thought, why don't we use some products which are good for our skin and which are like an Ayurvedic product. So when you think about Ayurvedic product, the first thing that comes to your mind is Kama Ayurveda, right? So I've been using these products for a while and it's really good for your skin. I'm going to show it to you right now, which is this. So this is their rose water and their face cleanser. So you have like 2 bottles like this. So if you want to try some product which is not like doesn't have chemicals and all, which is good for your skin, and also why would you want to buy like different brands from outside when you have Ayurveda like in India? It's so good for us. And we need to follow this. So the first thing is a face cleanser. This is the rose jasmine cleanser. So it smells amazing, and then it's so light on your face. It doesn't dry out your skin too much. So I wash my face with this. It's really light and it's good for all skin types. Okay, if you have like dry skin or oily skin, this is good. And then you also need to use a toner, right? So for toner, I use this rose water, which is from Kama Ayurveda again. And this is their pure rose water. Other rose waters that you buy, it's not like 100% pure. This is very good, smells great, and you can apply it before you apply your makeup. Also, you can spray it on after you've applied your makeup, like a setting spray, and also to calm your skin. So I'm gonna like just spray it and show it to you. Gives you a very fresh vibe, and it's good for your skin. And why do you want to take other expensive products when this is really good and it's good for your skin? So these were the 2 products that I want you to try, and if you have any products that you want me to try, please suggest me in the comment section below. Anything which has less chemicals or which is good for your skin, I want to know, so please let me know. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.